Now we will come page number 32, chapter 2, exercise 2.1. Here our first question is add each of the following numbers. Here we have to add two numbers. Here we all know this is ones, tens, hundred and thousand. Our first number is 3562. Second number is 2135. So we have to add the both number. This is 5, 6, 7. So you have to write here 7. This is 6, 7, 8, 9. So you have to write here 9, 5, 6. So you have to write here 6, 3, 4, 5. So you have to write here 5. Same process you have to follow B, C and D. Now, question number 2. Write each of the following in expanded form and add. Now, we have to given two numbers here. We have to add both these numbers. But we also have to write expanded form of both these numbers. Now we all know what is the expanded form because we have to already understand this in previous chapter, right? So we can understand this here. This is your question A. So first of all we have to write our first number, that is 3243. We have to write expanded form of this number. So we all know what is expanded form, but again we have to understand when we have to write expanded form. So we have to first look place of the number. This is ones, tens, hundred and thousand. This is 3. So first we have to write 3000. After that again we have to count ones, tens, hundred. This is 2. Which place? 100th place. So we have to write 2 as 200. Again ones, tens. 4 in which place? Tens place. So we have to write 40. And last is 3. So you have to write 3 here. After that second number, again we have to write expanded form. 4320 and here 6. Now we have to add both these numbers. So first we have to write our first number. After that, always remember, if you write second number or third number, so you always write from back side like this: 6, 2, 3 and 4, and make a plus sign like this. Now 6, 7, 8, 9. So answer is 9. 4, 5, 6. Answer is 6. 3, 4, 5. We have to write 5. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So answer is 7. So this is your answer. Same process you have to follow in B, C and D. Now question number 3. Add the following. Now you have to add both these numbers. Same, we have to add two numbers. So this number is 3457 and 5893. So this is 7 and 3. 7, 8, 9, 10. Our number is 10. So how we can write 10 here? So if in this condition you have to write your right hand side number here, and this number you have to write as carry here. And now you have to add both these number. What is your answer? You have to add this carry in this with your answer. So this is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So again you have 15, 2 digit. So this digit, right hand side digit, you have to write here, and this number you have to write as carry. Now add 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So answer is 13. You have to write 3 here and this number as carry here. Again add 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you have to write here 9. This is your answer. You have to follow same process in B and C. Now we will come page number 33. Here question number 4. Write each of the following in columns and add. Here we have to given two numbers again and we have to add both these number. But first we have to write these number like this, column form. So we can understand this here. This is your question A. So first of all we have to write this number in column. Always remember second number write from back side. Here we have to put plus sign. Now 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you have to write 2 here, 1 as carry. We have answer 12. So we have to write 2 here and 1 as carry here. Now 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So answer is 11. So 1 we have to write here and 1 we have to write as carry here. 3, 4, 5, 6. No carry. We have only one digit. So we have to write 6 here. After that 7, 8. So we have to write 8. So this is your answer. You have to do same process in B, C and D. After this, we will come our question number 5. Add the following. Here again we have to add the numbers, but here we have 3 numbers. So we have to add 3 numbers. This is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have 2 digit number 12. So we have to write our right hand side number here and 1 as carry. Now 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So here we have to write 14 here, 1 as carry. Now 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So here we have 13. We have to write 3 here and 1 as carry. Now 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you have to write here 8. So this is your answer. Same process you have to follow in B, C and D. After this, we have to come in exercise 2.2. Here our question is fill in the blank. We have to given blank and we have to fill these blanks. So how we can do this? We have to given 2 number here and equal sign. It means same numbers we have to write here. This number already written here, So what number we can write here? This number. So write 1112. Same as it is question 2. 1124 here. Same number. This number we have to write here. Now question 3. We have to given this number and this is blank. Now equal sign is here. this number and this side is blank. So here equal sign, it means both number are same. It means here we have to write this number and here we have to write this number. So we have to write here 543 and here we have to write 5666. Now question number 4. Here we have 3 digits. Here also we have to write 3 digits. This number already have written here. This number already have written here. So which number is not this? So we have to write here 111. After that question number 5. 3 digit we have to give in here. This number already have written here. This number already have written here. Which number is not written? This. So we have to write here 102. Question number 6. Here again we have 3 numbers. So this number already have written. This number already have written. Which number is not? 99. So we have to write here 99. Question number 7. Here we have 2 numbers. Here we have 3 numbers. This number already have written. This number already have written. Which number is not written? This. So we have to write here this number 7110.